Invasion of your lawn by the stubborn weeds is nightmare of every homeowner. And we can totally avoid it. You deserve a beautiful lawn. In this lawn series, I'm going to help you step by step to get to that goal. So the first step is pre-emergent. Let's see what is it, how it works, and how to apply. Welcome to our channel, Citrus Home and Garden. So let's spend some time to understand what is pre-emergent. So the pre-emergent is basically herbicide, that means a toxic substance which is used to destroy unwanted grassy weeds. So basically it stops the germination of the weed seeds and prevent them from emerging. Now you can see in the picture there is a top layer of grass, then the weed seeds and the yellow layer of pre-emergent. So when the pre-emergent is applied, it creates a layer on the ground which prevents the seeds from germination. Now the timing for applying pre-emergent is really important. You have to apply before spring when the soil temperature is above 55 degrees. So that was about what and when. So next we are going to see how. So stick to the video till the end. Now there are multiple products available in the market, but I'm using this Scott's Halt Scrapgrass and Grassy Weed Preventer. It works well with my Bermuda grass and I would like to stick with this product. I have this 10 pounds bag which covers 5000 square feet. Including the sidewalk, I need 2 of these to cover my front and backyard. I highly recommend always to read the instruction on the package. As you can see here, it is mentioned that you need to apply early in the spring or in the fall. So let's see what are the spreader settings we need. I use broadcast rotary spreader, so my settings are 2 1/4. So let's get to the work. So here I am adjusting a spreader setting to 2 1/4. And I always recommend to start with edges of the lawn. And with this edge guard setting, you can adjust your spreader accordingly. Now one thing to notice here, if you look at the color of my lawn, it's not at all green. So my grass is not actively growing. And this is the perfect time to apply the pre-emergent. Now once you finish with the edges and start the middle section of the lawn, I would recommend to keep the overlap. Don't go too close between the two laps, but at least maintain some overlap there. I hope you will enjoy the nice time lapse of this guy. Now you might notice my front lawn is green, and that is because of the ryegrass which I applied in the winter, so my lawn stayed all winter green. Now once you finish the main lawn, I would suggest to cover the sidewalk and the driveway edges. And I know this step is painful, but the more painful is killing those weeds which are growing on the edges of the sidewalk. So try to perform this step. Now the last step in this project is water your lawn. And the reason for this step is, once you apply the pre-emergent, you want that pre-emergent to settle down in the lawn so that it can create that protective layer. And I suggest 5 minutes is good enough to run each sprinkler. And that's pretty much it. That covers our pre-emergent project. So keep watching our lawn series to have a beautiful lawn. I hope you will find this video helpful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.